We have new information about a security fix that was scheduled to stop widespread thefts of Dodge muscle cars.
The fix is now delayed indefinitely. As we've been showing you, Stellantis Dodge Chargers and Challengers are hot targets for thieves.
The cars can outrun police and are worth big money on the black market. 2 thefts happened in one day here in Metro Detroit last week.
The fix was announced in March by Dodge as a result of this 7 Action News exclusive report by Jim Kurtzner.
And tonight he's back with a new report looking at responsibility and accountability.
We were contacted by a Dodge owner all the way in Alabama. He wants to know why Chrysler, Stellantis, Dodge hasn't notified owners and dealers about this theft problem. He learned the hard way after his was stolen. This was 4:30 in the morning last Thursday on Detroit's east side. A stolen Dodge Charger leading police on yet another hot pursuit. The chase quickly moves to the freeway and goes several miles downriver to Southgate. The only thing that ends this pursuit, the car runs out of gas. 12 hours later, Michigan State Police trying to stop another stolen Dodge Charger in Inkster. It runs a red light. They attempt to stop it with a pit maneuver. It's only a brief delay. The car speeds off. This one would end in a dead-end street.
Cars like mine are targeted because they can outrun the police. There's been 2 innocent bystanders killed in these things in the past couple of months.
This was his 2019 Dodge Challenger wide-body Scat Pack. This is how it looks today in a junkyard. Totaled after a 3-car crash. Nobody was injured. It was stolen outside of his house in the middle of the night.
I knew beyond any doubt these cars can't be driven without the keys. And I had both keys.
Then police told him what has become common knowledge to them. These muscle cars are stolen within seconds by thieves who know how to duplicate the key fobs with a computerized device we will not discuss in this report.
One is the original key and one is the copy key.
This owner had a Charger stolen, got paid by insurance, then took extra measures to keep his second Charger safe.
So all you have to do is unlock it and then put it right on the rim.
This was our story in March with Detroit Police Chief James Craig getting involved.
Your story prompted my having a conversation with Tim Kaniskis, high-ranking member of Dodge.
Dodge announcing a fix that would be sent out to dealers to do for customers by the end of June. Those were our stories Morris Newman watched when he Googled for information. He says he then went back to his dealer.
When I told him about the things that were in your TV report and what were in the March 22nd press release, they were shocked to hear it. So apparently Stellantis hasn't even told their dealerships about this. And I told the dealer, you got to let your folks know.
In our April report, we pointed out how the Detroit Big Three faced the same problem, but it plays out the most with Dodge muscle cars. Detroit police with a simple message.
We need your help.
Police have documented this problem going back to 2018.
At this point, the bottom line is that the customers are at the mercy of the corporation, finally coming up with the fix. And it's not just their customers that are the victims. The other victims are the people that are victims of the crashes that occur in the high-speed chase scenarios.
Morris Newman points out that Stellantis in the March news release talks about the Dodge Brotherhood, to which he says,
send out a little email, at least tell all your dealers. How could you not do that when you're aware of something that could result in people dying, to be perfectly honest? Because these cars in the wrong hands are lethal weapons.
Stellantis tells us in a statement that the fix will be made available to dealers as quickly as engineering discipline will allow. It did not address the communication and accountability issues raised by Mr. Newman, which we sent to the company. In Auburn Hills, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
Certainly interesting. We know Jim will stay on top of this one. For more information on the Dodge software upgrade or some other steps you can take to protect your vehicle from theft, make sure you head to our website at WXYZ.com.